Where police are in the county investigating a double homicide after two bodies were discovered dumped 2 kilometers apart in Batuk, Nakuru West this morning. Now, a 48-year-old male identified as Geoffrey Kibet was found dumped in a thicket with injuries inflicted in the neck and eyes, whereas an unidentified woman was beheaded and her body dumped at a quarry. Homicide detectives are also investigating whether the victims were raped and sodomized after they were found naked. Nakuru County Police Commander Peter Mwanza says the fight against insecurity in Nakuru will continue and that any suspect who is armed with crude weapons will be treated as a criminal.
Kijana wangu tunakuanga naye na nakaa nyumbani, na jana alitoka na akitoka alikuja atoka kwa shughuli zake ya kikazi, kwa anafanya kazi kwa wale.
Asubuhi wanafunzi wa shule walituamsha asubuhi, wakatuita kuna mtu mwenye analala kwa barabara, tukaenda tukamwangalia, amekufa.
There was a body of a girl, terribly, that the head had been removed. So the identity of the girl is not yet known, is not yet established. But yes, some 2 kilometers away apart, the another body of a young man aged about 48 years. We have commenced our investigations, and through our informers on the ground, we are following some very credible leads.